Everyone how to on the mic using the green and the tail.
All fingers are in. Where's your finger? Alright. Okay, make sure all fingers are in. And put your hand out, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, right after the show, we'll be having a photography session with Tupa over here. Now, for just 10 Singapore dollars. Okay, Warren, you are from Malaysia. Okay, Warren. Do you know why you are here? No? Yes? Never mind. Okay, I want you to listen very, very carefully. Okay, Warren? Yes? Okay. Now, when I say go, all you have
Well, vultures, they are nature's undertakers. In the wild, okay, they will feed on dead animals, and this will help to prevent the spread of diseases. So vultures, they are very territorial birds, especially the bigger ones. Just like Vulcan up there, look at him. Yeah, his stomach is big. He looks very, very angry. He's trying to protect his territory. Vulcan, can you please stop there for a while? Don't move, stay. Hey, I like that pose. Don't forget to smile, Vulcan. You look so serious. I'm just kidding. You know, Ventura will make another flight all the way up there to Nadia. So people over here, please remain seated, okay? Alright, Ventura, are you ready? Okay. Please do not touch them or you might frighten them away. Don't forget about the postcard to do your part for the birds. Okay, with that, we come to the end of our show. On behalf of our sponsors and for Wrestling Foundation, and to everyone, thank you and bye-bye. Okay, yeah. Our managers, okay guys, you don't want to be keep going, don't stop. Everybody, yeah. Okay, look at this one. He's talking to him. Well, these are pelicans, everyone. Okay, there are 7 species of pelicans found in the world. And over in the bird park, okay, we have all the 7 species. Okay, right now, I will throw fish in the pond, and you can see how these birds cook the fish using their long bills and large central pouches. Okay, we done, guys? Look at the fish. Whoa. Come on, over there. Alright, some over here. Okay, a few more over there. Alright, Pedro. What have you got over there, Pedro? Put it out, Pedro. Hey! What have you got over here, Pedro? Look at everyone. Pedro has just got a plastic bag instead of a fish. And look at him. He is so upset about the catch. Well, in fact, many of these water birds, they are dying because of man's careless ways and the pollution of the sea. So the next time you go to the beach, please do not litter, because even a small plastic bag can be hazardous to children and other wildlife as well. Oh, the one over here, the one with the black band on his back, this is the Australian pelican. These two over here, they are the great white pelican. And that one over there, Dalmatian pelican. In fact, there are 5 baby pelicans on stage. This one over here, baby great white pelicans, and these two big ones over here. Okay, this one and one more. Alright, Dalmatian pelican and the two small ones. Okay, they are the sport real pelican. They're about 7 months old now, hatched and raised right here in the bird park. Okay, some of these pelicans to his family now. That way, bye bye. See you over there, all of you. You, hey, what are you doing over there? Still looking for fish. There's no more over there. You want some more? You have to come here, this way. Right, go home, that way. Follow me, everybody, over there. Yeah, very good. Some more. Pedro, not Pedro, Heavenly Pedro. Have you forgotten something, Pedro? Your fishing rod, let me help you. Right, take this away.